Welcome back everybody to the Crypto Ellis channel. In today's video I'm going to be revealing some big chain games news that they just announced in the last few hours. Also going to be taking a look at the chain games roadmap for 2021/2022. If you want to support chain games and get involved in the daily giveaway, make sure you like this video, comment down below something about the video and subscribe to the channel. It's as easy as that, and then the giveaway winners will be announced in the following video. Also in tomorrow's video, the $100 giveaway winner will be announced, so make sure you are coming back for that. I'm not a financial advisor, so please always do your own research. I'm not paid, partnered or affiliated with any of the cryptocurrencies mentioned in this video today. And if you want to know about the secret cryptocurrency project that I've been working on that's going to be going to a token sale at the end of April, make sure you are joining my free Telegram group that's almost got 3,000 members. The link will be down below in the video description. This Telegram group is going to be the first people to know about my secret cryptocurrency project, and they're going to be the first people to get into the private sale and get the details about the private sale. So make sure you are joining the free Telegram group, link down below in the video description. Before we talk about chain games, let's go and get the winner from yesterday's video. So this is going to be the winner. I will get the USDT via Tron address and then send them the winning. So it's this person right here. Great info again. Hopefully the NFTs will not just be a flash in the pan. I personally believe it won't just be a flash in the pan. NFTs are getting bigger and bigger, and I believe it is definitely here to stay. So chain games is currently just over 74 cents. Best place to buy chain games is over on Uniswap and Bilaxy, as they do have the best 24-hour volume. I personally believe the reason chain games went down in the last 24 hours is because people bought the news of the roadmap coming out, and then people did a quick flip and sold chain games. So it's nothing to worry about right here. First thing I want to show you about chain games is this right here. Atari have announced their expansion of their partnership with Chain Games. The collaboration will see the expansion and development of the Atari multiverse and further integration between the respective tokens. This is big because Atari is one of the biggest gaming companies out there right now, and when you hear about Atari, you know Atari is matched with gaming. So this is big for Chain Games, that the expansion is going to continue to happen and get even bigger with this partnership, and it's going to grow even bigger. Next thing I want to show you is this right here. Solitaire is coming to the blockchain and crypto in a big way. Their Solitaire Plus is currently in the beta stage, and then it's going to be moving to the testnet next week. This is big news, because if you didn't see my interview with Adam, basically in that interview he was saying that a load of stay-at-home mums play these kind of games. So if they can go into the stay-at-home mums kind of gaming space, then they can get a lot of people coming onto their platform and playing these different games like the Solitaire, like the Candy Crush, and those are games that the big audience of stay-at-home mums and people at that kind of age do play these kind of games. Then we've got this one before we go and have a look at the roadmap, and this one is absolutely huge, and they just recently announced this. We wanted to let you know that we have been quietly assembling a team of seasoned video game and cryptocurrency industry professionals, and they are going to be announcing official names of this very soon. And basically the reason they've gone after video game and crypto industry professionals is they want to execute the roadmap and strategy that they do have coming up. So this is big because they're basically saying out there right now, we want the best of the best to come and work with Chain Games so we can get this roadmap done, so we can get the strategy done and take Chain Games to the next level and to where we want it to go. Let's now go and have a look at the roadmap. So as you can see right here, this is the roadmap for 2021 and 2022. It's more than they can fit on one graphic. So this looks like, to me, they will be continually adding more stuff to this roadmap. The Chain Games growth as both a platform and community is exciting. Then they also have this right here. Please review the full disclosure on page 2. Basically, that is basically just saying to you that even though this roadmap is here, it doesn't 100% mean that they're going to execute everything at the time of what it says on the roadmap. Also, in the full disclosure, it's basically saying that the roadmap is not financial advice, so please always go and do your own research. Let's go and have a look at that roadmap right now. So this is where we are currently, or going into, and it is the second quarter of 2021, where they're going to be adding more tier 1 titles like Madden NFL 2021, NBA 2K21, FIFA 21, Apex Legends, Fortnite, and all those good things. They're going to be launching their casual skill-based games on iOS, Android, and web. This is big because, like I said, we were talking about that big gaming industry space of stay-at-home mums and people of a certain age playing these kind of games. Support for the fiat on/off ramps to chain. We got the staking support on the layer 2. The redesign of their main website, staking and battle dashboard. Hopefully this just makes it a lot easier for people to use, a lot easier for people to understand. And then the ramp up customer service portal and support team. And this one right here is absolutely huge. Mainstream marketing and streamer acquisition begins. This is big because imagine if you log onto Twitch, and if you don't know what Twitch is, basically it's the biggest streaming platform out there right now. Imagine if you log onto Twitch and you see Ninja actually using the Chain Games platform and telling his audience about the Chain Games platform. This could be big. I know at the start they'll just go for the smaller or mid-term level streamers because they can't go directly to these big streamers to start off with, but when they do go to these big streamers, a lot of people will be going to buy up the Chain Games token so they can use it on the platform. And let's go over to the quarter 3. The main thing I'm looking at right here for the quarter 3 is this right here. They're actually going to be getting licenses from third-party publishers, brands and films, because at the moment they're just doing integrations. They haven't really got any licenses. If they go and get a load of big licenses, this could raise the price of the Chain Games token and take Chain Games to the next level, and more people all around the world would know about Chain Games. Then they're also going to be releasing the SDK to support external and independent developers within Chain Games ecosystem, making it easier for the developers to work on Chain Games. Also, they're going to be adding more casual games. These are the ones that are going to be going under the radar, the casual games, where they are going to be getting a load of casual players, like I said, the stay-at-home mums and the audiences that are over there coming to Chain Games, and this will get a lot more people playing and using the Chain Games platform. They're going to be improving their Chain Games security and AI cheating. Again, this right here, big for Chain Games, because cheating in the gaming industry is a huge problem. Just go and look at Call of Duty games and you will see what I mean. So them taking the AI cheating to the next level, where they want to improve everything and make sure no one can cheat on their gaming platform. This will be big because this will make a lot more people come to their platform and say, hey, there's no cheating on this platform, let's go and use this platform. And then this right here, integrating in-game NFTs in the third quarter. NFTs right now are really big, so this is good again that they are going to be getting the NFTs out there sooner rather than later. Then established relationships with retail partnerships. This again, this could get more eyes on Chain Games and on their platform. Then we've got the fourth quarter of 2021 right here. Basically, they're going to be getting their licensed third-party NFT objects. So this looks like to me they might be doing something similar to what OMI have done. So OMI have got a load of different licenses for their NFTs. So this could be good for Chain Games because they could go and get a load of licenses from a load of big different games and then actually get NFTs going with them. Support for additional cross-compatible blockchains. So again, taking Chain Games platform and their blockchain to the next level. And then support for pancake swap pairing on BSC with BNB pair. So this is the Binance Smart Chain. So when Chain Games gets on the Binance Smart Chain, this could be big because more eyes will be on the Chain Game token and more people will go and buy it. Then we've got a load of other things going on in the third quarter as well. And quickly, let's go and have a look at 2022. So they're going to have their fantasy sport integration, console integration, release of their custom FPS, additional licenses as well in 2022, and then a load of other things coming up in 2022 as well. So that was a quick overlook at the roadmap for 2021 and 2022. A lot of big things coming up for Chain Games that are definitely getting me excited. So we've got them trying to stop the cheating in games. We've got the NFTs coming. We've got more partnerships coming. We've got more skill-based games coming, casual games coming. A lot of things happening in the year 2021 and in the year 2022. Also, right now, Chain Games is very unique in the cryptocurrency space, in the gaming space, and it is unmatched right now at the level of what Chain Games is doing, what they are doing on at the moment. So right now it is at 74 cents. Make sure you do wait for a dip if you do want to get in on this cryptocurrency. It does look like 2021 and 2022 is going to be a big year and going into 2022 for Chain Games. Let me know down below what you think about Chain Games. Thank you so much for watching this video. Get involved in the daily giveaway by liking this video, commenting down below something about the video, and subscribing to the channel. And I'll see you in the next video.